My undergraduate was at the MIT Electronic and Computer Science. Graduate 2 years was at the MIT Media Lab. While undergraduate, I was amongst a lot of very smart technical folks. Being at the Media Lab, suddenly I was having to work with musicians, with graphic designers, and other engineers. And what I learned at the Media Lab is that sometimes form and function have to go hand in hand. The functionality absolutely matters because that's the minimum. But if it cannot be used by end users in a meaningful way, it doesn't matter how beautiful or how vast your functionality is, it's not going to be popular in the marketplace. So we're very happy that we've designed it in a way that our technology, our web-based application is used by very novices, but also there's enough layers in the interface that if you're an avid user, Avid is a software for very high-end graphical work. If you're an Avid user or Adobe products user, you're not going to be offended. It works for savvy users, it works for very novice users, and it is not easy to design your technology, your software, your user interface without having had the training in a place like the MIT Media Lab. Many of my customers ask me, shouldn't you move your company to wherever? New York City, as an example. I'm there pretty much every week because we have many customers and partners there. But my answer always is no. We can sell anywhere in the world, but we will only build next to MIT. So we're in Central Square, which is quarter mile from MIT, and the ecosystem is phenomenal here. I actually volunteer for MIT Enterprise Forum in the Software SIG, Special Interest Group, and we're a bunch of volunteers that bring topics and speakers that'll help new company building. There are other groups like the MIT Legatum Center, where I mentor 3 students who have businesses or ventures in other countries. Now I'm really appreciating where the ILP sits. It is obviously giving access to very large companies, all the research and access to professors at MIT. But it also provides access to startups with very interesting ideas and a lot of agility, which some of these large companies may not have. In exchange, the smaller companies, the startups like ourselves, we have access to larger companies which we might not have otherwise. So Cambridge, MIT is a very diverse environment, very rich ecosystem for company building.